Did you think investing in crypto was going to be easy? I got destroyed in 2017 and 2018. Learned my lessons and made a small fortune in 2021. And let me tell you something. Crypto isn't just complicated, it's brutal. Or it can be if you don't focus on education. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care how much you believe in your cryptos. It moves based on liquidity, institutional money, and macroeconomic factors that you and I have zero control over. But if you understand the rules of the game, you can flip the odds in your favor. In this video, I'm going to give you 15 brutal truths about crypto investing, rules that separate the winners from the losers. And stick around until the end, because the information I'm about to share could be the difference between making life-changing money or getting completely wrecked. Rule number 1, avoid day trading. Part of learning how to invest, you have to understand your relationship with money. Now, I know that I'm too emotional to be a day trader. That's why my preference is long-term buy and hold. The odds are against you with trading, day trading. Hedge funds and institutions make money because they have sophisticated AI, billions in capital, and access to data me and you don't. They use algorithms that execute trades in microseconds and capitalize on the tiniest price differences. Most retail day traders will lose money fast. They end up chasing small gains, overtrading and getting wiped out by fees, bad decisions and emotional trading. Instead, focus on long-term, well-researched investments. Pick assets with strong fundamentals and let time work in your favor. If you want to know what my current portfolio is, ask below in the comments and I'll tell you. Rule number 2, being early is a cheat code. The biggest profits come from positioning yourself before the masses catch on. Think about Bitcoin in 2013, Ethereum in 2016, or Solana in 2020. The biggest winners aren't the ones who buy at the peak, they're the ones who see the potential before the hype. Institutions and insiders accumulate when nobody is looking. They buy when there's zero media attention, no hype and low price action. Then when retail jumps in during FOMO, they offload at massive profits. The lesson: study emerging projects, understand utility and invest before they hit the mainstream. An easy way to do this is to start investing each month DCA at some point during the next bear market. Rule number 3, buy quality cheap. It's not just what you buy, it's when you buy. A high quality asset can still be a bad investment if you buy at the wrong time. Even the best projects go through cycles, and the key is buying at a discount. During bear markets, everything is on sale. That's when you want to scoop up the best projects. In bull runs, people overpay for the hype. Don't be one of them. A smart investor waits for the dips, corrections and accumulation phases before going all in. Rule number 4, ignore the media. Mainstream media thrives on sensationalism. They push narratives that drive clicks, not truth. They'll tell you Bitcoin is dead during a bear market, and when it's near all-time highs, they'll say it's the future and you should buy now. If you follow mainstream news or investment advice, you're always one step behind. Instead, rely on on-chain data, independent research and market cycles to guide your decisions. Before we move on, I just want to say that nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm just, as always, trying to help you with my experience. Rule number 5, think long term. Wealth isn't built in days, it's built in years. If you zoom out on any successful crypto asset, you'll notice something. Long-term holders always win. Short-term traders get caught up in daily volatility, but those who hold strong investments through bear markets reap the rewards when the bull run finally comes. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a game of patience. Rule number 6, risk management. Survival. If you don't manage risk, you won't survive long enough to make any money. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Never bet your entire stack on one investment. Never use high leverage unless you like playing financial Russian roulette. Risk management isn't just about avoiding losses, it's about staying in the game long enough to see the big wins. Rule number 7, go against the herd. I don't know about you, but I'm not one for being a sheep in general, and it's the same in crypto. When everyone agrees, be skeptical. Spend time researching cryptos and try and make your own mind up. Markets are driven by emotions, and the herd is almost always wrong. When the crowd is euphoric, take profits. When the crowd is panicking, buy the dip. Smart investors go against the grain. To help with this, use the fear and greed index. So when greed gets to like 85 or even 90, it's probably time to take profits. Rule number 8, understand market cycles. At this moment in time, markets move in cycles. The crypto market is boom and bust. Every bull run is followed by a bear market. Every bear market leads to another bull run. If you understand where we are in the cycle, you won't get caught buying tops and selling bottoms. You'll understand the 4-year crypto cycle. This is how you really win in crypto. See below for a video where I go into how I've invested in crypto over the last 8 years. Rule number 9, control your emotions. Greed and fear destroy most investors. FOMO makes you buy tops. Fear makes you sell bottoms. Stay rational. The market doesn't care about your feelings. Make data-driven decisions. I've made far too many mistakes in my 8 years as a crypto investor. If you want to learn all my mistakes, by the way, and how to avoid them, you can join my crypto community. See below for the link. Lesson number 10, time in the market, not timing the market. Trying to time every top and bottom, good luck. Instead, focus on holding high quality assets long term. Even if you don't buy at the exact bottom, long term investing outperforms most traders. Rule number 11, focus on security. When you use an exchange, make the most of all the available security features like 2FA. Don't click on any dodgy looking links when looking through your emails. Think about using a VPN for an added layer of security. And a big one is to store most of your cryptos, most of your assets in a cold storage wallet offline. This is the safest way to store your crypto. Anything else you can think of about security, let me know below in the comments. Rule number 12, take a break from crypto. You might become obsessed with your cryptos, especially the price of your cryptos. If you find yourself checking on CoinMarketCap or similar, literally every 5 minutes, it might be time to step away for a few days. All the popular crypto accounts on X have a saying, and that is to step away and touch grass. Go for a walk, hit the gym, whatever it takes to get your head out of your ass. We all want to do well in crypto, but not at the expense of our mental health. Rule number 13, stay fully up to date with the crypto market. My main thing is to know where we are in the cycle. Are we in a downtrend? Are we sideways? Or are we in an uptrend? This helps you with your exit strategy, which we'll get into in a minute. To stay up to date, I follow various accounts on X and YouTube, like Raoul Pal, for example, who's been a calming influence on my crypto investing over the last few years. I read articles on TradingView, Cointelegraph, etc., and I read the odd crypto book. Most of them are rubbish, to be completely honest, but I really like Siam Kid's book, which I read twice over Christmas. I'll leave a link again below in the comments, and he's also has a free audio version on YouTube, which again I'll leave below. Rule number 14, take profits. Having an exit strategy is the most important thing for us crypto investors in 2025, as far as I'm concerned. This has been my obsession over the last 6 months, and I've done quite a few videos all about this topic on this channel. My strategy is to take profits incrementally over the next few months based on all the data I monitor daily. If you want to know what data I actually use, you can access my crypto cheat sheet. All you've got to do is type yes below in the comments. There's no right or wrong answer when it comes to having a cash out strategy. Some people sell 50% when the portfolio does a 2x. This means they are playing with the house's money and it's zero risk. Basically, you need a strategy. It's hugely important. Rule number 15, keep good records and pay your tax. Some people will try and ignore this and avoid it. I'm going to pay the capital gains tax I owe when it comes time to pay. That being said, I do like to be tax efficient, and there are ways to invest into crypto completely tax free, and yes, it's legal. See below for a video that goes into this very topic. Summary, these 15 rules, they're not just suggestions. If you follow them, from my experience, you win in crypto. If you follow them, you'll be ahead of 99% of investors. So which rule hit home most for you? Let me know below in the comments. Now, I know I've asked a few times to get in the comments, but it's important for us crypto investors to come together and get the conversation going. If you're taking value from this particular video, hit the like button, subscribe, all the good stuff. Before I go, I want to emphasize the importance of education. Mindset plus education plus investing equals financial freedom. Now, I mentioned earlier that I have a crypto community. You get investing courses that are going to get you where you need to be. For example, my main course, Crypto Investing Made Simple, contains all of my 8 years experience in just 3 hours. You get my weekly newsletter that will tell you exactly what I'm going to sell and why. You get around other like-minded investors, and you get a 7-day free trial, so it's completely risk-free. I don't even mind if you join for a week. complete all the course material and then leave. All I want is to help as many people as possible to take advantage of the huge opportunity crypto offers. As I said, you can find the link below. Anyway, that's it for now. Good luck with your crypto investing in 2025.